Hello guys, today let's talk about Lab 5. You need to do the function of the sorting, searching related to array. So let's try to run this code first. So first time I need to insert some student information. So first one I need to type 111, 111, 111, and now student 1 inserted. So next one 333, student 2 inserted. Next one 222, 222, 222. So now student 3 inserted. If I click display students, so 3 students has been displayed in the text box and with the ID, name, and score. If I click sorting, I will sort all students related to their score. So 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. It is kind of ascending order. If I click highest score, I show the 333 with the name and ID. If I click lowest score, I display the lowest score. So now let's talk about the logic, button by button. First of all, you always need to think about what kind of variable you need to declare. And we need to declare 3 arrays, which are student ID, name, and test score, respectively. Also, you need to declare a variable which name total number, which can record how many students you have inserted. Now let's talk about insert student button. Each time you insert the new students, so you need to type redeem preserve your student ID like this to change the size of your current array. And also put your value inside of your array. After that, make sure you have count your total number. So which should be the total number is equal to total number plus 1. It helps you to count how many students you have inserted currently. Okay, next one, display all students. So my custom is I display the ID line at first. So it looks like this. I use VB tab to display all the title line. Next one, I use the form loop to display all students. So it should be from the first index to last index. Make sure you know the last index should be the total number minus 1. Inside of each loop, I put the current student information into the text box to create a large text box message. Don't forget to use VBCRLF to create a new line. Okay, next one, highest score. So the highest score and lowest score is very similar. So for example, I can use the for loop to find the highest score. And it should be from the first index to the last index, minus 1. Each time I run the loop, I compare my current student score with the next student score. If the current one is larger than the next one, I swipe each other. I'm not only swipe the test score, I also swipe student ID and the student name. If you want to try to find the lowest score, which is similar, so just by change the larger into less than. Next one, display the highest or lowest one. So when I display all students, I use loop to display that. If I display the highest or lowest one, I only display a single student. So you can just grab the single line to display your highest or lowest score without a loop. So you can think about how to do that. The last one is sorting. In sorting, I need to design 2 layers of for loop. Let's talk about the inside of loop first. Inside of loop, which is very similar as your highest score. If the current J is 0, so which here is 0, which is exactly same as your highest score, which means the first time I run the outside of loop, I just get the largest value. And next time, the J is 1 and here is 1, which means I currently found the largest one and I compare the rest of them to find the second largest one. If I keep running this loop, I will keep finding the third largest one, fourth largest one, until I sort everything. I will post an animation for you to help you to understand how the sorting looks like. Okay, that's all for the Lab5